first thing, number one is, what are these? You don't know?
Baby frog.
No, not yet. What is this one? Eggs. Well done, Mesa. Everybody, eggs. Eggs. Yeah, so we have eggs. Here they are. Frogs' eggs. It's number one, okay? We can call this frog spawn, but there's lots and lots and lots and lots of eggs. Many, many eggs, okay? Frogs' eggs. Frogs' eggs. Right, next. So we start with the egg, and then it grows into this one. What is it? What is it? Do you know?
Oh, a baby frog.
No, not yet. Not a snake. No. Tadpole. Tadpole. I know, tadpole. I know, tadpole. Mona, tadpole. Silla, tadpole. Davin, Mesa, Kun, frog. What color is a frog? Green and little bit. This one has a bit of orange and white and has black spots. Black spot. You can see. You have some black spots. You'll see in a minute when you look at it. Yeah. Okay. So that is the life cycle of a frog. No, not this one. Some frogs, yes. In the jungle, they are dangerous. Okay, there we go. Right, are we ready? Huh? It's a frog. It's not dying, no. No, nice. Yeah, jump, jump, jump. Yeah. Hurt? No. Huh? Why you do that? No legs. No. There's frogs today, not fish. Stop. No, so these are the eggs. Then it's a tadpole. Then it's a froglet. Tadpole is black. That's an arrow. You want black for your tadpole? Good job. Tadpole, color. Go. This one. Tadpole.